G'day, it's Lee at GasGas. Welcome to the 2019 Wildwood Rock Extreme Enduro. We've got a bit of a GasGas team and we're helping a lot of other riders out as well. I've raced most of the Wildwood races in the last 10 years and I've got to say this track is clearly going to be the hardest, the most ridiculous hard track it's ever been. It's going to be pretty exciting. It's going to be enjoyable to watch. I don't know how enjoyable it's going to be to ride for us guys. We have Ben and Brock Grabham riding GasGas's this year. Ben's riding for ADB on the Ranger, which is our lower, lighter bike. Really aimed, designed for extreme events. Should be really exciting to see how he goes. And Brock obviously racing the EC300.
So far so good. We've started off with a short, sharp prologue and just about to get ready for the 3-hour main event. I'm here covering an event for ADB magazine and I've got the new GasGas 300 Ranger with me, so it's going to be a tough but fun day ahead.
Offroad racing and especially hard enduro, extreme enduro is really exciting and everyone's getting into it right now. It's one of the sports that any punter can have a go. It's brilliant. I can't go by a tennis track and go to the Australian Open. I'm no good at golf. I can't turn up and win a PGA, but I can enter, I can race the best in the world, equal to them with a machine that's basically the same. To be honest, most of our factory bikes are pretty much off the shelf. So it's a brilliant sport where you can really, it's a community and a family, so it's a really good thing to be involved in. That's the end of Wildwood Rock Extreme Enduro for another year, the 10th running. That was absolutely incredible. I've never ridden anything so hard. Everyone's got amazing stories to tell about it. It really is a great event. GasGas has ran well. We helped all the clubman guys and all the trail riders beforehand, warned them, please come in the pits. We'll service your bike, look after it, carry spares. And to be honest, I think the sum total of damage for all the guys that rode, there's probably a dozen GasGas's out here that entered, it was one peg. So we're pretty happy with that, and I think the guys were happy that we supported them. Just the average guys, it was brilliant.